Guys, today I'm gonna talk about what I do in my day-to-day life as a full stack developer, what I develop, what technologies I work on. So let's get started. So guys, if you are a newbie and you think that full stack development is like a very intellectual job, so that's not the case. It's like normal, you are a front-end developer or a back-end developer. It's just like that, nothing very magical I do. So if you say, is it better than front end? It's better than back end. No, it's not. It's Is back end better? Is front end only better? No, it's not. That's the case. It's on you what you prefer and what you like or what are your skills. It's not dependent on demand also. It's totally on what you like. You can be a full stack also, or you can be a front end or a back end dev also. So I'm a full stack developer. Now what I generally develop, I do front end like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js, Next.js. So I do all the front end work, but I'm not good with designing. For that we have like web designers. Secondly, I also do backend like Python, Django, Express.js, Node.js, Go. So whatever the backend APIs are required. Apart from that, I also handle DB databases like NoSQL, SQL, Postgres, or MongoDB, Cassandra, whatever the database is there. Apart from that, I do also web crawling and web scraping. So web crawling, web scraping, not a part of full stack developer, but I was kinda doing from my college days because I was doing freelancing in my college days. So I like that. So it's just my hobby. I like web scraping a lot. And apart from that, like cloud deployments and everything. So it's like whatever you gave it to me, I'll just surely do that. So then you have a like, okay, then you can do everything. It's not like that. I have to Google a lot of things. So my a lot of time goes into Googling. So suppose there is a what do you say, database developer, or you can say backend developer, I'll say. So if it's a backend developer who work is just to write backend queries, get data and make APIs, so he will be lot much faster than me. I have to like Google things, then I will try it out, then again Google, but I will do my way and I will always find a solution. So it's not like that we will work with the same capacity. I will be slow. Of course, he will be fast because for years he's doing the same kind of stuff and I'm different stuff. So it's like that. So suppose there is a button I have to create, like a Facebook button which has a like. So firstly, I will create the design of the button, then I will create the tables where all the likes will be saved. Then I will create an API. In API, I will add validations, authentications. Then I will integrate the API to front end. Then I do unit testing and all. So it will take around 2 days because I can work on one thing at a time. Okay, but if I had two guys, I mean one and one more, one me and one more, so that person will be looking in the back end, I will be working on the front end, or that will be working on the front end, I'll be on the back end. That could have been completed in just one day. So efficiency is always same. It's not like that if you are full stack developer you'll do things very fast. It will be always the same frequency. Secondly, if you go to big companies, they have like everything. They normally don't have full stack developer. They just have software engineer post, and they have like a person for UI UX researcher, a web designer, a front end designer, a back end designer, a DevOps engineer, a deployment engineer, a tester. Everything they have for every like work. But if you go to small scale companies, they may have only two, front end, back end. They have only one. Full stack, they can have three also, front end, back end, DevOps. So it depends from company to company. As company goes bigger, the role specified for your work will be limited only, but you should be very good at that. As you go down, the role is too much narrowed. But mostly you'll see three profiles: front end, back end, full stack. That's the most cases, because I'm not talking about Google and all, because so I mean they are just another type of company. And yeah, that's pretty much my whole day work is. So I just create databases, tables, front end, back end, integrating API into designs. And yeah, that's pretty cool. And sometimes on clouds also you have to work. So in big companies you can have a person who's looking to the cloud. So sometimes I have to work on the AWS, looking into lambda functions or AWS storage, whatever is there. So depends on the client requirements. So yeah, that's pretty much from my side. Thank you guys for watching.